Curious about the dashboard indicators and cluster display in the 2026 Chevrolet Equinox. But how do these symbols enhance your time on the road? This guide will explain everything you need to know. Interior view. The 2026 Chevrolet Equinox debuts a dramatically upgraded dashboard that combines modern style with smarter functionality. The digital instrument cluster in the 2026 Chevrolet Equinox is a sleek, high-resolution 11-inch, fully digital display positioned directly in front of the driver. The LCD display offers a crisp, customizable view of driving information, enhancing clarity and modern appeal. The 2026 Equinox gear shifter is a modern electronic lever that offers precise shifting. The 2026 Chevrolet Equinox climate system delivers both comfort and smart automation. The steering wheel offers precise control, comfort, and multifunctional buttons. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators: driver seat belt reminder light, front passenger seat belt reminder light, airbag readiness light, charging system light, malfunction indicator light, brake system warning light, electric parking brake light, service electric parking brake light, anti-lock brake system warning light, all-wheel drive mode or front wheel light, automatic vehicle hold light, lane keep assist light, automatic emergency braking AEB disabled light, vehicle ahead indicator light, pedestrian ahead indicator, traction off light, electronic stability control light, electronic stability control off light, engine coolant temperature warning light, driver mode control light, tire pressure light, engine oil pressure light, low fuel warning light, auto stop indicator, security light, high beam on light, automatic high beam light, lights on reminder, cruise control light, adaptive cruise control light, door eyesore light, passenger airbag status indicator. Safety precautions: know your symbols, immediate attention, don't ignore flashing symbols, stop driving for red warning lights, check manual for unknown symbols, regular maintenance, cluster awareness, don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols, use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.